What you got there, boy? Wind blowing 90 miles an hour. Woo-wee. Church tackle planter, boys, done struck, boy. Look at that pretty Florida crappie. Man, we out here and that wind is roaring, boy. I'm gonna say them planter boards will make a difference today. I guarantee you.
For the blackfish.
First pretty little old fish. We just catch and releasing this week, boys. So we're gonna catch them, throw them back, and take a few pictures. But y'all can see out there. Old John back there working that planter board. Look at that, boy.
For the old dog fish.
Pretty little dog fish. All right, over now.